Okay, so I just got this immersion blender and I wanted to show you guys how it works and to test it out. So first of all, it does need to be plugged in. So it's currently plugged in. Here is the blade at the end there. It's well protected in this. And I love the fact that it's covered so nothing is going to spill everywhere. And we've only got 2 buttons here. First one is the on button. And then the second one is turbo button. So as you can see, the turbo button is much faster, so you can do like a slow stir or a turbo stir. But let me try it out. It does also come with a user manual, as you can see. I'm going to put some powder in this water, and we're going to try and blend it. So as you can see, it is not mixed at all. And we're going to see how this immersion blender is able to mix it. Oh wow. Oops. I think a little bit came out there. But wow. Look at that, guys. It's like completely mixed. That's crazy. Usually I use those like frother things to mix this, and it takes a while to get it all mixed, but this mixed it really quickly. I mean, it did pour some liquid out, but I just didn't expect it to have this much power, so maybe I should have poured less water in here, but crazy. So yeah, this works great. I do want to try it further for some soups and smoothies as well. So I will have some more videos coming, but today this was the test. But yeah, if you're in the market for something like this, go check it out on Amazon.